Hello and welcome to Amethyst Star Crafting. My name is Jane Allmark and I'm a UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. And today I thought I would talk to you about the brand new chamois. Now the chamois is a cleaning tool, which, as you can see, it is a very sort of pliable, quite thick plastic cleaning cloth. And all you do is damp it in some water. So put it in the water, wring it out. You can, as you can see, you can wring it quite well. And then if you get one of our thin cases, you can put it inside there and use it as a cleaning tool. So let me show you very quickly with something. Let's take a little piece of circle there, and we're going to take a bit of mint macaron in our new stamp cases, and we are going to, let's take the varied vases, and I want to just put a little flower on the top of here. So we're going to use this with our blocks. So let's put this on a block, ink it up, and we're just going to put it in the centre like this. So with your inked block, you can just use it literally to wipe it across, and it cleans photopolymer out really, really well. You can also use it for, let's do another little example on the Stamparatus. So if you've got, let me get my Stamparatus out, and we are going to just put, move that ink pad out the way. We're just going to put, let's put the same, no, let's put this little piece down here because we can do some vases. So put it on here. Let's take out, excuse me, one of the little vases. Let's just take a little solid image. So we'll take one of the little vases, pop it in on here where we want it to be. It'll be upside down for using the punch. Whoops, very sticky because they're new. Pop it down like that, and then put this across, pick it up. Very sticky today. Just line that back down and make sure that's in the right position. Yes, and we'll do it in the mint macaron again. Pick it up, press it down, and this time, let's just close that up again. This time we are going to take the cloth out, and you can literally get it into whatever position you want and very carefully clean it off. And you can see just a couple of wipes and it cleans off absolutely beautiful. And again, you can see it's stained on that side. I was actually using some Brusho and I just cleaned it up with the Brusho. But when you wash it, it makes absolutely no difference whatsoever. So storing it, as I say, in our little cases, put it inside, and it's perfect because it is quite small and easy to carry around with you. But as you can see, it cleans absolutely perfectly, and that is, as you can see, is almost like brand new. So I highly recommend getting one of these. They are probably one of the easiest things because, as I say, you can literally bend them, move them into whatever position. So you can have the most detailed little stamp that you want. You can almost sort of take it round on your finger and clean off the little pieces. And as I say, it fits nicely. In fact, it's almost made to go inside our cases, so you can then keep it nicely for storage. So the chamois, new thing coming out on the 1st of June with our new annual catalogue. So I highly recommend getting one of those. Thank you for watching me today. Bye bye.